One program that I use very often is YouTube, a video sharing application that I found very useful and very popular too nowadays on both computers and smartphones. I first discovered this app when I was just in secondary school, when I received my very first laptop, and it allowed me to discover the internet, and one of it is YouTube. At that time, I mainly used it for to watch entertainment videos, music, movies, or some funny video clips like a 24-hour challenge on YouTube. And later, when I started my university, I tend to use it for more for educational purposes. For example, if I misunderstood or didn't understand any concept in the class, I just simply search for it on this app. And on almost case, it's always helped me to find a lot of helpful explanations for my problem. I also keeping my hobby too, like listening to music, watching some funny videos online, especially listening to podcasts on YouTube is one of my favorite. Nowadays, I use this app like almost every day because I found it very helpful and convenient, because I think it's helped me not only to learn new knowledge but also helped me to relax after a long day. And besides that, I think because of its wide range of contents and easy accessibilities, this app has become one of an essential part of my daily life. What is the importance of apps in a personal life? Personally, I think mobile apps nowadays plays a very important role in people's life because it makes daily tasks become much more convenient and efficient. For example, people nowadays can communicate with each other instantly through apps like Messengers or Zalo, or learn new skill on YouTube, like something like cooking skills or English. As a result, these apps help them to improve their productivities or save their time, not only in work but also in study. Are there any drawbacks to apps? Yes, definitely yes. Everything in the world has their own drawbacks, and applications have some drawbacks too. One major issue of applications is that people can become overly dependent on this app, such as TikTok, which can be quite addictive. And I also think that spending too much time on this app can reduce people's productivities and also even can affect their physical and mental health too.
Like and subscribe nha mấy bà. Hi hi.